What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on any PC, even if it's not supported. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to install Windows 11 on your PC, like Windows 10 or whatever, and it's an unsupported PC because you tried, because it is a free upgrade if you already have it, and if you've been trying to do it, and especially recently since Windows said, or Microsoft said, they're going to stop updating, I believe by October 2025, they're going to stop doing Windows 10 updates. So if that happens, obviously there's a security risk, you could get hacked, viruses could happen, etc., right? All that bad stuff could possibly happen. So you want to get Windows 11, but you can't upgrade because your processor or some system requirement is failing, basically. So the easiest way to do it is this specific software called WinBootMate. It's a free software. You can essentially download it, and it'll essentially bypass that restrictions and install Windows 11 on your computer. Now, I do want to caveat, this could have issues on your computer because obviously you didn't meet the requirements per Windows. I mean, it probably won't as much. It's just all dependent on your basically what you have on your hardware itself, right? But like it shows you over here, you can easily do this for you. It literally gives you a step-by-step guide. It's extremely straightforward and easy to do, but just wanted to give you a perspective. You can even see that it even says like bypass Windows 11 secure boot, TPM, and CPU. These are the two main things where you usually fail basically checking. So once you do this, you'll be able to install Windows 11. Again, it gives you a perfect guide. It's a free thing to do. And again, I highly recommend you folks to just try this out. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. If you're on the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that much is out. Peace.